I really think this eyebrow came out fire compared to this one.
Inspired. Fight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? If you're old, what's poppin'? So my name is Lay, and in today's video I thought I would show you guys how I do a beginner friendly eyebrow thing. So let's get to it. All right, I'm gonna start off with a bare face, put that lotion on. All right guys, there's no rule to how I do my eyebrows, to be honest. I just get them done, to be honest. So first things first, I just want to say that this eye will be the expensive products and this eye will be the cheap, affordable products. It's gonna come out the same probably. I mean, at the end of the day, eyebrows are sisters, so. Alright, so first thing, I'm gonna start off with the cheap eyebrows. So I just brush my brows up. Yeah, they need to get done. They need to get done. Just like my lashes, which I think later I'm gonna fill them in, whatever. So I brush them up. Maybe on this side I might do a detail like zoomed in, So I brush them up. This is not sharpened. What's that gonna do for anybody? Oh yeah, and excuse my nails. I've been trying to figure out how to do them myself, so. Alright. Almost forgot. You're supposed to prime your face, low-key, with your eyebrows. Since I don't plan on really doing my face like that, I'll just use this one. I got this one in a sample or whatever. Just cheap, affordable pixie. It's all over my face and my brows not my bang, Alright, so you're supposed to let it sit for about 5 minutes, I do believe, but I don't be listening. I ain't going nowhere anyway. It's quarantine, so. All right. Back to what I was doing before I made a mistake. Sharpen your pencil, duh. Boom. I'm gonna pick that up later. I don't know why, but a random song of mine just came on, so don't want no copyright. Alright, so back to what I was saying. Brush it up, shape it. I take my pencil. I draw a line under. Well, attempt to draw one because it clearly is not coming out like that. Okay, there we go. There we go. See that line? And I'm just like to do my brows differently every day. And it should look something like that. Let's take my spoolie like so. So then this is the part that's different. I take my eyebrow kit, and sometimes I like my eyebrows dark and light. I don't know, today I guess I'm doing it in dark. And I don't remember where I got this from, but this is old. I then just fill in my brows like that with the powder. Kind of take the pencil again to get it to do that, what I want. Kind of darken the ends. I don't know why I do that, but I kind of do. So yeah. Favorite part, which is cleaning up, because this, we ain't going outside like that. We ain't going outside like that. So I take one of the concealers I'll probably just use this one. I don't care. Doesn't matter. Ooh, come on. There we go. I don't know why I was looking into my big mirror. Need my little one right here. Then I outlined. Sometimes I don't outline the top, but I mean, like I said, it really depends on how you feel. So I outline the top, you see that? And then I outline the bottom. You kind of want to follow the line and not, like, what you're cleaning up is basically you cleaning up like the extra mess you made on your eyebrow. You know what I'm saying? Like, I hope that makes sense. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing over here. The extra mess we made. See that? Like that. And then I take my sponge, I soak it with water. You can get this sponge from anywhere. I got this one from Sephora, I believe, but I got some cheap ones too, but it's whatever. And then I just blend. Gotta slick that back real quick. Hold on. Ooh, you can see my edge. Ooh. That's how it came out. I mean, like I said, I do different brows every day. Every day I do a different brow. It just never fails. So this is what I got today. It's whatever. On to the next eye. Alright guys, so this one I'm gonna get a little close and personal at ya. A little close up. Alright. Guess I know my eyelashes falling off. That's just Jesus Christ telling me to go do my eyelashes, okay? We might just take her off. Period. Alright, so like I was saying, because it's not about the eyelash right now, it's about the eyebrow. We're gonna take the spoolie, any of the spoolies I own. We're gonna brush it up to the gods. Oh God. Oop, I'm out of the camera focus, sorry. Like so. And then we're gonna take my favorite, Anastasia. Anastasia. Are we gonna take that? And what the fuck? Ooh. We're gonna spritz the brush that I showed you earlier. And we're gonna get to it, do it. Alright, now let me stop. I'm doing too much. Alright, so like I said, the same thing under the other brow. We're just gonna trace it. Pretty much outline the under part of my eyebrow and just follow that natural whatever that is I got going on. You got it going on. What? Alright, so that's that. Let me see how this come out. I don't use powder for this one actually. I just use the whole Anastasia and just go like this. go like this. I guess I'm kind of following the natural shape of my eyebrow. Something like that. Something like this. Is that it? That's pretty much what I do. And then my favorite part, I'm using Anastasia. Clearly I can't read. That says NARS. No, I lied. What? NARS, clearly. And I'm going to, I forgot to insert that in the beginning of the video. Well, that's how life goes. We gonna use that little corner I got left because they don't got no more Monday. I need some more Monday. And we're gonna just dip that on the back of my hand. Don't want too much product. Yeah, I don't care at this point. And then we're gonna just go under, because I have to make sure that y'all can see, you know. Y'all can still see. Okay. I go under, I go on and on. Yo, I'm too much with myself. And then sometimes I told you I don't do the top part. It really depends on how I feel, but I'll just do the top part for this video. Like this. And then blend, 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 blend. Honestly, my lace look crazy today. I don't even care. I really just don't. That's how life goes. And we in quarantine, so we gonna learn, okay?
And I use the same brush to blend that out, like so.
Honest with you. But that's neither here or there. And I wasn't trying to sponsor to get the expensive products. I really think it's the way I did this eyebrow. Oh man. All right. Take a sponge, blend it out. Blend it, blend it, blend it out. Blend it, blend it, blend it out. Alright, basically I'm pretty much done with my brows, so I'm about to finish the rest of my face off camera and come back to y'all. Alright guys, so my face is obviously beat after all that. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm about to do some more videos. The next one is going to be a haul, I think, with Shein or Pretty Little Things. Not sure yet, but stay tuned. And I hope your eyebrows is popping. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Bye.